This is the second video for the 5-1F lesson. We're going to do the same thing. We have two slides for one problem. They give us a table of values. We're essentially repeating the steps that we've done in the last couple lessons. We're just going to pick 2 points from this table to find M, and then 1 point from this table to solve for B. And then on this slide, we're going to enter in our answer. I've already copied the table over, and we're just going to pick whatever 2 points seem easiest or speak to us. So 24 seems a bit messy, so I might stick with the top two again. I'm going to take my points and extract them, label them, so the formula has change in y on top and change in x on bottom, built-in minus signs, and then I'm going to start to plug these in very carefully with -7 over +8 and -10 over -4. Lots of negatives on this one. And the top is -7 plus 10, the double negatives cancel, and 8 plus 4. -7 plus 10 is 3, and 8 plus 4 is 12. And this simplifies down to divide by 3 to 1/4. All right, so we have 1/4, and that's our M, and now we're going to pick a point. I'm going to pick the middle point this time. I don't honestly remember what I picked on the last one, but I like this one because maybe it only has one negative. So 8 and -7. And I'm going to plug this into y equals mx plus b. Just like I said in the first video, which point do you pick? Any of these 3 points. It honestly doesn't matter. -7 is y. 1/4 is m. 8 over 1. I've done this a couple of times in other videos, so I'm probably now starting to know that I need to put this over 1. And this will turn to a 1 because 4 goes into 4 one time and into 8 two times. Got -7 equals 2. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. So 2 over 1 or 2 plus b. And I'm going to move this 2 to the other side by subtracting. B equals -9. So I've got y equals 1/4 x minus 9 or plus -9. Don't forget that x there. And then we're going to go back to our slide and enter this in and see how we did. 1/4 x minus 9. Bingo. Cool. And we can also kind of get an indication if we go back a slide that we were doing this correct, because we can already tell this is going to be a positive slope and that the y-intercept appears to be negative. And all of that checked out in doing this problem. It had a negative y-intercept and a positive slope of 1/4.